We are using this thing that we made, which is the Essence of Xmas. We're using this to make blue wine, mulled wine, glog, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. To this thing, which you know already has like a bunch of flavors, what I want to do is show you how to actually use this to make the mulled wine. And this is a good ingredient to add, especially if you're making it with alcohol already. It is almond liqueur, which I really like, especially with this combination of fruit. We have some not very expensive wine. It can be red or it can be white. It can be a rosé. So we're making this for us.
As in 2 glasses?
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh my God. This is... Okay, here we go. Screw cap, not so great wine. I'm going to hide this. And eyeball it. This is about a third of the bottle. Look at that. It's quite alive. Okay, look at how much liquid there is in that. I have not opened this in the since we made it, basically. Oh no, I did once. I think I did once, but that was very soon after. And there's some of these pieces from the last year's batch, which I've also put in, and they add like all this complexity. So just eyeballing again, a bunch of these, get a good mix. What I also like putting in this is figs, but I can't find any right now. Okay. So we add that in, a couple of oranges, and we'll heat this up. Heat it till a point where the sides, the edges are bubbling. There's steam rising from, and I'm just going to taste this now to see how it is. You can make it as sweet or not as you like. And I forgot to measure this, so I don't know how many spoons we put in. That was kind of one of the points of doing this whole video. So, but basically, don't ask me how much. Just do it by taste. If you like something, it's nice. So start with like 1 tablespoon, and it's like maybe 2 tablespoons, including the fruit.
But how do you know it's enough?
If it's not enough, then you can always add more, like that.
Is that enough for you?
That's enough for me because it's not too sweet, but if you like it sweeter, you can go ahead and put more in.
But like what? How much?
Like you decide.
Like 2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoons is good to start.
No.
Half a cup of what?
Of like fruits and...
Okay, half a cup, fine. But taste and do it. Like do 1 spoon if it doesn't taste strong enough. If some people like it stronger, some people like it milder. Do it how you like it, and that's also how you understand what your taste buds like. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. If it's too sweet, it's okay. You can reduce it into a jam, which is one of the things that I did. So it's like it's basically a mulled wine jam. There's always a way to convert it into something better if you fuck it up. Okay, should have added a bit more wine. Oh, I forgot to add the almond liqueur. It would have been more appropriate in that. Just a few drops, just for flavor. I'm not left-handed. Cheers. That's nice. That last spoonful of the syrup was maybe needed actually in hindsight because it's quite citrusy. Okay, what do you think of it?
Like spice driven.
All spices here have been around for ages and contributed to a bunch of colonization. Happy December.
And December juice.
Scented sauce.